But yeah, it was really fun. And then we, every flight could have been missed, every little thing could have gone wrong, and it didn't go wrong. I was able to meet up with everybody from the cast and just have this incredible celebration. And a lot of people, you haven't seen for a long time. I've seen some of those folks, but anyway, it was really special. You have a pack? You okay? Good to go? All right, it's on the screen. A 10-year-old song that's brand new to you.